we just arrived in Cape Town.
So we are going to the event of Kaspersky.
At Table Bay Hotel at Waterfront. So we're gonna be going there. We're gonna be showing you what we're doing today and tomorrow and the day after that.
We'll be covering the whole thing. It's an event about
Cybersecurity.
Dicen que el mundo deja de girar por un momento cuando te enamoras.
Amalula. Okay, so we are on our way. Dada, tell us what we're doing today.
We just arrived from Bandung. I'm tired. Milan.
We are now in Cape Town International Airport. Kapstad. How many times have we been in Cape Town?
How many times?
Yeah.
A lot.
A lot of times. Because it's like just a neighboring country from
Yeah,
Namibia.
2-hour
So,
flight.
yeah. It's a 2-hour flight away from Windhoek to Cape Town.
Dicen que el viento deja de soplar por un segundo cuando te enamoras. Si no quedamos callados, la vida siempre será la misma.
How are you?
This is Michael.
Hi.
Yes, hi. Welcome to Cape Town. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Y si bailamos pegados, la vida no será la misma. No. Te quiero a mi lado el resto de mi vida.
Okay, here it is. I believe it's that one.
Por siempre prometo hacerte muy feliz. Contigo me quedo el resto de mi vida. Te pido la mano bajo el cielo de París. Bajo el cielo de París. Dicen que el mundo deja de girar por un momento cuando te enamoras.
You've got a lot of colleagues that are
Yeah.
going to be here. So people know who you are and you branded for life.
Yeah, that's excellent.
Okay,
So-
cool. Look at Mario got a brand. Oh, cool. Okay, so you put your card in. Right?
Pull it out.
And I pull it out. Is it? Oh. Okay. Okay, so we're in the 4th floor. Oh my goodness, like as if I've never been in an elevator before. So what's up, Dada?
Yes, all is good. We're gonna go. We're in a fancy place. These people think we are fancy. We're not fancy, we're local.
We fancy this week, guys. We fancy. Okay, so room 406. So let's go to our room. This place looks so nice. 414040401. You're here already. Okay, let's open. Awesome. Hello. Okay, so this is our room. Okay, why does hotels always start with the toilets? But
Only during the day. It's
so-
a nice view, but at night.
So this one's a
okay, so
bit.
this is our wow. Look at that, guys. Let's see our view.
Huh?
And we can see the Table Mountain.
Wow.
This is our view.
It's like the mountains in front of the.
Okay, that's where that what do you call that spinning thingy imaging?
Ferris wheel.
We've been there once or twice. Okay, guys, so we just checked in, just a little bit tired because we just came from the flight. But look at this. It's one of those anti-theft backpacks that they gave us. Oh, it looks so awesome. Let me just show you. And they branded it for us. Oh, check it out. Okay, so this is our bag that they gave us. And they gave us this. And Mario. And then inside there is our agenda and there's a water bottle. So we got a water bottle. Hey, awesome. Thank you, Kaspersky Lab. Okay, let's explore further. This is the closet. Oh, it's like a whole walk-in closet kind of thing. See, I fit in it. And then you get your mini coffee station over here. And okay, we got a toilet, but apparently there's a telephone in the toilet. So if you get stuck, you can call them and say, help! And that's me. Hello. Okay, guys, we are on our way to the event. Actually, just a welcome dinner for tonight. So we're going there. We're just gonna have dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna have dinner and enjoy and meet the people.
Yeah, meet the team. Are we supposed to bring our badge?
They say so.
While Patchy pulls himself together.
We're not late yet, but we don't want to be
Too late.
Atlantic.
Hello. Please tell me your surname.
Michaels.
And
Yes.
welcome. Please enjoy the dinner.
Thank you. We are now at the event. I got my non-alcoholic drink.
tuned. The most important thing for all of you guys, tomorrow there will be a wake-up call, 5:30. 5:30 in the morning, and Mikhail Wasin is responsible for this call. That's more or less it. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope you will enjoy this beautiful conference at this very beautiful place. And enjoy your food, enjoy your dinner, l'chaim, drink, and enjoy your dinner. Thank you.
From where are you?
Reuben Paul.
Austin, Texas.
Oh, Boston, Texas. Oh,
Nice to meet you.
My
I'm
hand is so
Grace.
dirty.
so how are you doing?
I'm doing very good. How are you?
Good. You're gonna show us something cool. That's gonna be nice.
Guys, so we met Reuben Paul. He is the cybersecurity genius, is who we have right here, guys. Something he's gonna do something excellent, so we're gonna show it to you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Is this thing's fine?
And then you just throw this on top.
Oh yeah.
What is it? Is it malva pudding?
Malva pudding.
No, it's coffee pudding.
Yeah, it's coffee
with
pudding.
butterscotch. Oh, that's the butterscotch.
Yeah. That enough?
So, that's enough.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you guys?
I'm fine.
Are you enjoying the night?
Yes, we do.
You like
Nice
the
and
people
slow,
that
yes.
you
They're very
like the
sweet,
people,
very
they are
smart. They're very friendly as well. Friendly, yes.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, so we just finished dinner. I don't know why I can't eat mint, guys, but I like what's underneath, so I'm gonna eat the what's underneath. And just like to talk to everybody. That's how he is. The man of the what? The man of the match. He went outside and it's dark outside, so I don't know if I'll be able to. And it's cold outside here. Now you guys can't see me. Bye.
We're here.
We are here. Hello world, we are here. Huh?
Join. Look.
Hello world, we are here at the Kaspersky
In
dinner.
Cape Town, having a
Cape
nice
Town,
time.
at the Table Bay, at the waterfront.
Yeah, and we
So, so we're gonna be enjoying the evening. We're gonna talk to the people, the technical team. We're gonna show you cybersecurity, how it works, and all that.
Yeah,
jazz.
but basic. Don't worry. We're not gonna go in detail. So yeah, enjoy. See you.
the next day.
Good morning. How's breakfast?
Breakfast is breakulicious. Is that a word?
Breakulicious. Okay, so we are on our way. Let's go. Good morning. How are you?
I'm new.
Can I have a happy day? Yes, of course.
When I look in your eyes, I see the stars. They're shooting from the sky as if thrown from Mars. Hold me tight, please don't let.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Cyber Security Weekend in this beautiful city of Cape Town. Thank you very much for coming. Invite to the stage, Managing Director of Middle East, Turkey and Africa region at Kaspersky Lab. Please welcome Mr. Amir Khan.
We are honored to have you all here today. Today we're going to have a lot of stories for you. We have kept our promising in order to protect the children from cyberbullying. We are also kept on our commitment concerning transparency. We have been the leader in opening publicly our source code. So once again, thank you very much for helping us spreading the awareness and trusting us.
You have my authorization to crack that code. I want to know which state is targeting us.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity, letting me be here. So as you all may know, I'm going to be trying to hack this drone. This device, I wouldn't know what it was if I'm a real hacker, but since we know, this is the phone, and I'm going to be disconnecting the drone from the phone. So it says we're connected, and now I am going to get video feed, so I can see everything that the drone sees now. Now, say hello to the camera, everyone.
So video perception.
Yeah, we're here in South Africa, Cape Town. We are with the SABC crew. Yes, my new friend. Will he introduce himself?
So hey, what's up guys? Namibia in particular, igama Usandi Lehlangani. I'm the SABC journalist. And yeah, it's nice meeting you online. Stay safe.
And our cameraman here.
Hi guys, my name is Sipumgoni here in South Africa, and nice meeting you guys. We're having a great time here. We're bringing you all the best about learning about cyber security. Hope you guys get more information and you learn more from this conference.
Yeah, guys, now you know the people behind the SABC. We met some famous people, so yeah, now we feel also that we've accomplished our goal of coming here. So yeah, Grace will have the last word.
So yeah, stay safe and have fun.
So we'll have our colleague here close up.
So it's a goodbye from us here in South Africa, Cape Town, and stay safe.